Hello there. In this tech tip, I want to show you how to install add-ons into your Google Classroom. Now, some of you are saying, what is an add-on, or why should I do this? Well, add-ons or extensions allow you to streamline tasks such as creating assignments of your favorite EdTech tools like Kahoot, Edpuzzle, or Pear Deck, all within Google Classroom. Let me show you how to install these add-ons. First, I have a Google assignment opened up. Next, I want to click on the three dots in the add-ons section. Then I want to select Explore Add-ons. The Google Marketplace page will open up, and then you can search for all sorts of apps that integrate with Google Classroom. I'm going to go ahead and type in Kahoot, and then you see the app appears in the search box. Go ahead and click on this. On this page, this is where you will see the installation button. Because I already have Kahoot installed, it's grayed out. So if you were to install it, go ahead, click on the button, and just like that, you will have Kahoot ready for you to use inside Google Classroom. Sometimes there are add-ons that don't show up in the search results, like Kami, for example. If you notice an add-on does not appear, go to the filters at the top and clear them. By default, it's set to Works with Classroom. But as you can see, now the Kami extension appears once I remove that filter. Then to install it, click on Kami, press that install button, and then Kami is now part of your Google Classroom. I hope you enjoyed this tech tip, and thank you for watching.